Hey y'all, welcome back to another exciting episode of Griddle Porn. Today, we're making BLTs. Although, I can't do just a plain old ordinary BLT. The lovely assistant, she can have a regular old BLT. But for me, I'm going to try a BLT grilled cheese. Hopefully you can hear me over the bacon splatter. These are thick cuts of bacon, except for these end pieces. This was thick cut pepper bacon, which will be delicious on a BLT or anything else. See, it's so thick I don't even have to use the bacon press. Too thick to curl. I think we got something good. In fact, I wish I'd had another pound or two. Oh, bacon, bacon, bacon. Where were we? Grilled cheese bacon. I don't know if it'll work, but we're gonna try. Got everything set and ready as soon as the bacon's done. Maybe I should have used a bacon press for this fatty part. Oh, look how pretty. And we both prefer crispy bacon. So we have to make sure the bacon is nice and crisp. Okay. That is greasy bacon, so we're going to have to let it sit in some paper towel, soak up some of that grease. Let me do that, and we'll be right back. And welcome back from the commercial break, brought to you by bacon, 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 bacon. This is the lovely assistant's bread, which I will lightly toast. And this is mine with mayo and a little bit of something. Then we'll peel off some cheese, if you please. Her bread's almost done already. We'll throw on tomato. Cheese. Actually, let's get the lettuce in there. Second piece. We'll get her bread. Perfectly toasted, of course. We'll get my bread. This isn't as easy as it looks, y'all. Uh-oh. Okay, just... everything's covered in bacon grease. And slippery. Okay. Pretend you didn't see me fumble the handoff. It was nice and smooth, right? I can edit that out, you know, but I don't want to. I'm not that kind of guy. You get to see it, warts and all. And here in a minute, I'll take her sandwich in. And that's probably about done. I need a place to put it. You know what I forgot? Bacon. Can't have BLTs without bacon. See? Told you I should have edited out. The things I do to entertain you guys. There. There. Bacon BLT. No, grilled cheese BLT. Something. Anyway. We've got us a tasty sandwich here. Hopefully. And we'll be right back with the taste test. And welcome back. I had to take my lovely assistant sandwich inside for her. Now, let's see what a bacon grilled cheese LT, whatever the heck it is. Hi. Looks like. Can you see it? Can you see it? Yum. Mm-hmm. 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 Want a bite? She doesn't want a bite. I'll take another bite. It's good. Because your tomato gets a little bit of a bakey taste. A stewed tomato taste. It's gooey and ooey and sloppy and slippery. It's yummy. So there you go. Grilled cheese BLT. Thanks for watching, and y'all have a great day.